don't want to be out in the cold, do you? I don't know what I should do with you. Let me go and get something to wake you up with. Oops. I don't know, I think you should go outside. Okay, I gotta put my glasses on. Uh-oh, there you go again. Okay, it's a long road downstairs. Hang on. Oops. Get your booties on and your scarf. It's a chilly billy outside. Oops. Oh! He fell down. Go boom. Oh, 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 oh. There, we got him. Okay, buddy. Here we go. Okay? Come here, Poke. Come on, honey. Gotta close that door. Oh! There goes my papers. Uh-oh. Oh, well. Sorry, this is probably way too cold for you, huh? I'm sorry. I don't know why you're alive right now. Jeez. It's almost like he's beseeching me. Oh, poor little thing. Okay, do you want me to put you inside in the kitchen? You can stay in the kitchen. Yes? Okay. I have to get another piece of paper then. Do I have something on me? I do. I have my water bill. Oh no. Oops. Uh-oh. You fell down. Yikes. Okay, you've really gone into shock here, huh? Oh my God, he's dead. I killed him. Are you really dead? Oh, jeez. Okay, let's put him inside. Oops! Just locked myself out. He just croaked on me. Damn. Uh-oh. I'm locked out of there too. Damn. That's great. Oh, Pook. You can't come here, can you? Oh, boy. Okay, this is a mess. So much for that. Boy, this one better not be locked. Aw, jeez. Okay. No more playing. I've got to find a way to get back in my slippers. Oh, jeez. Okay, you know what? You just didn't make it, did you? Let me see. Oops. Okay, he's moving a little bit. Okay. Okay, all I can do is leave you here. Oh! No, I can't now. Oh, shoot. And there goes my water bill. Okay. This is a mess. And no, I haven't been drinking. Jeez. Okay, he goes there. I'm gonna go find the spare key. Well, this is part 2 of the bug saga. Come on, we've got some good news. Let's go. Boop, boop. This way. Come on, boop, boop. Mrs. McCurta. So I put him down on the windowsill, and he disappeared. And check this out. Pretty good, huh? Yeah, he likes it better in here. You like it better too, don't you? So, pretty happy about that. Yep. You can hang around for as long as you want, little guy. Just not on my pillow. What now? What now? Hmm? Ooh, it's chilly. Come on, do what you gotta do. Good to my girl. Good babbies. Oh, you're a good boy, Pook. Come on, let's go get your cookie. Pook, pook, pook. Good boy, Pookie. Pookie, Pookie. Pookie's a good boy. Pookie is a good boy. He go pee pee. No, not you, Gertie. Okay, you'll get one too. Pook, Pook. Okay, that's it. Okay, all done.